Okay, welcome to Ebony, the King's Return. Maraming naglalaro ng Ebony, but most Filipino are not really playing this game. May kamahalan ito at it will take time para maintindihan siya. So most Filipino na naglaro na ito. Dito sa server ng 1628 ay mostly maaga silang maalis kasi mahirap intindihin. Just like this one, isa sa mga basic. May mga nagrarally katulad si Senate Moods, which is part siya ng two-edged sword. Tawag ay Tess, one of the big player in server 1628. Kusang part ako ng Tess, isa sa mga alliance. So when joining a rally, just click join. So mga hindi pa nakakaalam, this is just the basic things. So ito yung general ko, si Hestia and Barbarossa. Just click march, join, can click march, or pwede mong i-reset. You can send specific soldier kung yan ay cavalry, archers, or yung ground troops. Then send march. Then I can send 6 rallies. Then I can change the generals kung sino yung gusto kong ipadala. So pag yung mga generals like Gaius and Washington Prime, they preferred kapag yan ay mga natawag na cavalries, those with horses, so marches and so on. So all set. Ang nag-set ng rally ay si Senate Noods, one of the big guys here, but our biggest guy is si Kanslea with a power of let's see, tinatin yung detail, 39 billion. Actually, small player pa yan kung i-compare mo sa ibang mga player sa ibang server. Pero compared sa akin, kung saan ang aking strength is only 834 million, wala pa siyang 1 billion. Kung itong klaseng keep or castle will attack me, if kung hindi niya ako ka-alliance, hindi niya ako masiro. Ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng mga army moves within your keep, pwede siyang mawala. So, if I go inside sa castle, so ang aking culture ay Japan. Makikita mo marami mga cherry blossoms, farms, meron siyang walls divided into many buildings. Ito yung pinaka main gate, ito yung warehouse kung saan nandun yung pagkain. This is your hospital where you heal your wounds, academy where you do your research. Napakalaga nito, pero napakahirap i-upgrade because kailangan mo ng maraming resources. This also costs money. Kailangan yung mga taong mapera ay nai-improve nila yung castle. Ako, hindi ako bumibili as much as possible. Mahirap i-improve yung castle mo. Dahan-dahan. There are players who have been playing for many years at lalo na yung may pera. So, after a rally, isa sa mga soldiers mo are going to be wounded, diretso yun sa hospital and you must heal them. Dati noon when I pag sumasali ako sa rally, full set ng rallies, mali pala yun. So minsan yung mga player na nagra-rally, maaari ka nilang tanggalin kasi hindi ka marunong maglaro ng Ebony. It will cause them many injuries kapag hindi mo alam yung most of the basic things. Yun ang mahirap dito. So again, may mga turns at may mga uses ng tiles. This is tiles, yung ore, bato. This is the ore. Pwede mong isan yung army mo para kumuha. And this is subordinate cities, parang mga provinces ng inyong main keep. Then, ito yung mga monster that you can, this is the basic monsters na pwede mong atakihin, but it only give you small amount of resources, tawag na RSS. Ang pinakamalaki, you're going to look at the world map, pwede kang mas mabilis na pumunta sa buong server ninyo. Actually, maraming server yan, mga kapitbahay. It's like Akatsuki, banda doon, banda rito. If you wanted to look all the server in the Ebony, pwede ka pumunta sa server list. Napakarami yan. Doon na sa dulo yung mga ancients na malalakas. And there are hundreds and thousands of players in Ebony. And they are really earning lots of money here. Just to play, you need money. But kung gusto mo tiyagain, dahan lang na pagkuha ng resources, and must also join big alliances, just like this one. So, if you have any questions kung laro ng Ebony, kung trip mo lang, any Pinoy out there, please comment.